After another major screw up due to the Honda GPS taking our exit point to the Grand Canyon and making it the entrance, really screwed everything up. We lost an hour's worth of riding. So we finally get on the road. We switched around a little bit. I put Joe in the front and I took up the tail gunning position for a while until we got close to where I recognized the terrain. It is a pleasant ride on the way over to the Grand Canyon. Go through lots of forest areas, and then it gets a little barren. You're actually in the high plains, and there are people that live up there. We cannot figure out what they do for running water, or if they do. And it's interesting. A lot of trailers, very far apart. I'm sure somebody has them under surveillance. Right around here, I started moving back to the front. It took a little while because I had to get past all of our bikes and everything. It's no big deal. We worked together well. And back in the front, and everybody's back where they'd like to ride. We're up here in the high plains and we're getting close to our turn when we notice that Charlie and his brother aren't anywhere in sight. So we're going to pull off up here at the gas station. Even though most of us don't need gas, we'll make it through the Grand Canyon fine. But we're a little concerned about Charlie and his brother because they're nowhere in sight for us to see them. So we pulled over and we learned that Charlie's brother does not like to go speeding. For him, speeding is anything over 45 miles per hour. So they were way behind. We were at the gas station probably a good 5 minutes or so before they got close or anything. And then we got together again, took off again, and they lagged a little bit.